The project we're working on is named the same name as the team. It's Quarters. We're working on making 3D modeling accessible for everyone. So basically, we want to make an app where you can build anything from very simple blocks. So if you know voxel, it's like 3D pixels. So you take cubes and you snap cubes, and from these different cubes of different colors, you will be able to take a very simple shape, right, into more and more complex structure and unleash your creativity in this virtual space.